Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Manikansan Study Mantra MSM. I hope everyone is staying at home, all are healthy and fit. As you all know, nowadays I am providing online classes for Louis International Academy Bokakhat. So today wasting much more time, this is our last video before first periodic test, and that is in this video we will cover up the concept called probability or chance. So as you all can it is visible in your it is as visible on this board. So it is probability. What it is, the topic itself shows some probability, yes or no. That means probable, something probable, yes or no. Probable means what? There is possibility, understood. Another name of probability, you may say possibility. We normally use possibility, the word possibility, in our daily life, day-to-day life, right? So what do you mean by, first of all, possibility? First we have to understand that particular thing. Now suppose a person, I'm giving you an example of suppose we all are very much familiar to cricket, right? Cricket match, we most of us, we normally watch, like to watch cricket. So in cricket what happens, suppose a bowler is about to deliver a ball, okay. If the ball is legal, that means if it is not a no ball or white ball or something dead ball, if it is a legal delivery, that means other than these three options, that means no ball, white ball, डेड बॉल, ये नहीं हो सकता, इस इनको लीगल डिलीवरी माना नहीं जाएगा. नाउ सपोज द बॉलर इज bowling a legal delivery, is about to bowl a legal delivery. What possibilities can happen in the delivery? Okay, either it might be a dot ball. Dot ball means what? That means the if you say suppose the batsman can score 0, yes, it might be a dot ball. That means the batsman can score 0. He might score 1, yes, the batsman may score 1, or he may score 2 runs in that ball. It might be a 2 run, or it might be a 3 run also, it might be a 4 run also, and it might be a 5 and 6. Now you can ask me that 5 run, how is it possible, sir? See, it is possible in real cricket. Why? Because suppose a batsman played for a single, and both the batsmen have crossed each other. That means 1 run they have completed, but the fielder threw the ball in any other direction. In any other direction means in a bad direction, such that the backup fielder could not stop it, and the ball rushes into the fence. That means the ball goes into the boundary. Then what will happen? The batting side will be offered with another 4 runs, yes or no. That will be overthrow, yes or no. But they have already crossed for 1 single run. That means they have to add that also, right? So total 1 plus 4, that means total 5 runs he might be score. That means it is also possible. But other than 6 in that delivery, is there any other possibility for getting? No other possibilities, because 6 is the maximum run that can be scored in a particular delivery, yes or no. So I hope you, that means these are the possibilities that can be happened in the very next ball which is going to be delivered by the bowler, right? So these are the possibilities. Now if someone asks you that what is the probability of getting 2 runs in that particular ball, okay. Now can anybody tell me how many 2 runs can be possible here? Only one provision is there to score 2 run. But see, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 7 possibilities. Out of total 7 possibilities, I need only one possibility, and that is what? Only for of getting 2. ओके एक बार अगर एक गेंद में 2 रन मिल गया तो बाकी सब होने का चांसेस गायब हो जाता है, लेकिन वो बॉल डिलीवर होने से पहले, before delivering that ball, nobody knows that which run they can score. That means what in the next ball, what is going to happen, nobody knows. That means all of them have equal chance of getting what? Any of them, any one of them. Okay, now suppose another take another example. We will come to this example again. Suppose I am going to sit in a interview. Suppose if I know that I am going to clear that exam, that means I have that confidence that I am going to crack that exam. That means what? There is no possibility. That means either I may pass or may not pass. No, there is no possibility. I know 100% that I know. We normally used to say like that, right? 100% I will pass. I am sure, I am 100% sure that I will pass. That means 100%. And that 100% means what? Total percentage. That means that 100% will be divided in all these cases equally. বুজি পাইছনে কথাটো? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 runs, 6. There are 7 opportunities. All these 7 opportunities have equal chances of occurring. Yes or no? Occurring means happening. Okay, that means what? 0 have that x much. Suppose let us consider 0 has a probability of x. Understood? It has also same probability. It must have also same chance. Another word, chance and probability almost same, exactly same. So it has also same, it has also same, it has also same, and it has also same. How many x are there? Total 7 x are there. Yes or no? And if we add all of them, I will get total percentage. That is what? Total chance, 100%. ये सभी का मैंने चांसेस को अगर हम ऐड कर दे तो हमें कितना मिलना चाहिए? टोटल मिलना चाहिए ना. टोटल कितना हो जाएगा भाई? 100% होगा, है कि नहीं? तो कहने का मतलब क्या है? इन सबको अगर हम प्लस कर दे तो हमारा आंसर 100% निकलना चाहिए, है कि नहीं? और 100% का मतलब क्या है भाई लोग, बताओ अभी. 100% मतलब 100 divided by 100, isn't it? In percentage problems we have discussed in previous year. Yes or no? That means 10% means what? 10 by 100. So 100% means 100 by 100. So 100 by 100 means what will be the answer? That means these all will give you exactly probability how much? 1. Understood? The total probability will be 1. Understood? So add them. How much you will get? 7x equals to how much? Total how much? 1. So what is the value of x? 1 by 7. That means what? All of them have same probability. Each of them have 1 by 7 chance. Each of them have 1 by 7 chance. That means what? 60 में से किसी एक का गिरना तय है, एक का होना तय है. समझ में आया? इन 7 कंडीशंस में से किसी एक का होना तय है, क्योंकि हमें चाहिए कितना? किसी एक का ही तो चाहिए. x किसका है? एक का ही है ना, सबका तो नहीं है. समझ में आया? अगर कोई आपको पूछे कि 1 और 2 होने का चांसेस कितना है, तो क्या बोलोगे आप लोग? 1 और 2 होने का चांसेस कितना है बोलोगे तो 1 का चांसेस कितना है? x है. 2 का चांसेस कितना है? x है. तो मतलब 2x हो गया ना बेटा. 2x का मतलब x का वैल्यू हमने यहाँ से निकाल के रखा हुआ है, तो इसका वैल्यू क्या होगा? 2 इंटू 1/7 नहीं होगा क्या? तो इसका मतलब क्या है? 2/7. अब समझ में आया बात? कितना सिंपल है, देखो 2/7 हो गया ना. अगर ये 2/7 ही है तो मुझे एक बात बताइएगा, ये जो 2 आया कहाँ से आया? हमें किस किस का चाहिए था? इसका और इसका चाहिए था, तो दोनों का क्या कितना था इस टोटल इवेंट में? इन दिस आई एम यूजिंग हिंदी इन जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड बेटर दिस topic because it is a very useful topic in your future. Okay, so I am just trying to convince you people by giving this example. Listen carefully each and every word. This topic is not that much easier also and not that much tough also. If you understand correctly everything, listen everything properly, then it will be the easiest of all topic. It will for you. Okay, but if you don't concentrate here, then you will learn nothing and it will be the hardest for you, hardest topic for you. It will be the, but I am not going to make you this hard because it is very simple. For me it is very simple and I want you to understand in that way. How? I told that what is the probability of getting 1 or 2, तो 1 भी हो सकता है 2 भी हो सकता है, और टोटल चांस कितना है? तो फिर हमें हमारा फेवरेबल कौन सा है? अभी यहाँ पे फेवरेबल बोलूँगा. व्हाट इज इट? फेवरेबल. फेवरेबल मतलब दैट मीन्स समथिंग फेवरिंग. हमारा फेवर क्या है? 1 या 2 गिरना चाहिए. मुझे चाहिए 1 या 2 गिरने से हो जाएगा, मतलब इसका ऑकरेंस आने से हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा. That means both of them are favorable. That means I need these two. For this I need x, for this I need x. So I have made 2x. 2x out of what? Total how many occurrence? 7 में से ही तो ये दोनों आना है ना, तो टोटल 7. सो अभी हम इसको x नहीं मानेंगे, हमें सिर्फ इसका इक्वल चांसेस है. वो x भी हो सकता है 1 भी हो सकता है, सबका मतलब कुछ ऐसा ना कि सबका सेम है. तो हम यहाँ पे जनरली काम करेंगे. ऊपर क्या लिखेंगे? ऊपर लिखेंगे टोटल कितना चांसेस मिलना चाहिए हमें. दैट मीन्स वी नीड, व्हाट वी नीड. ऊपर इस पे देखेंगे 2 है ना ऊपर, 1 या 2, हाँ 2 है तो 2. और नीचे लिखेंगे टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटीज, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. तो दैट विल गिव यू द राइट करेक्ट प्रोबेबिलिटी. ये है एकदम सिंपल तरीका जिसको समझने के लिए हमें यहाँ देखना पड़ता है. समझ में आया अभी बात? I hope you understood. You try to. This is totally basic. In this class you are getting for the first time this particular thing, but you in future you will get rigorously about this particular topic. After near about in 11 12 you will get lots of problems regarding probability and more other concepts also there which we have to discuss in later classes. But right now this is enough for you. Now I hope I can rub it right. So in the meantime I would like to request my viewers to subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed it, and please share my videos as much as possible to your friends such that they can get the concepts that has been taught in this particular chapters, because these concepts are very much basic knowledges and this is useful for all students. Okay, so even your brothers can young elder brothers can also view this video, because this is very useful for them also if they belongs to science category. Now listen, now this is one example. This was, now suppose I am going to toss a coin. Okay, now I am going to toss a coin. If I toss a coin, what happens? What will you get after tossing? In a coin there are two faces, one called head and the other tail, isn't it? If you toss the coin, there will be equal chances of getting head, either head or tail. That means what? Total 100% one of them having 50% each. Yes or no? 50% chance. Now what do you mean by 50% chance? 50%, right? 50% को आप डेसिमल में फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर दो. 50 divided by 100, isn't it? If you cancel them, you will get 1 by 2 as the answer. See, now listen carefully. एक कॉइन में हेड या फिर क्या आ सकता है, टेल आ सकता है. हेड और टेल आने का चांसेस, या फिर मैंने अगर पूछा हेड आने का चांसेस, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग हेड व्हाइल टॉसिंग अ कॉइन? हाउ मेनी? डेफिनेटली ऊपर क्या होना चाहिए, हेड आने का चांस, बट इसमें एक ही है. लेकिन टोटल कितना चांसेस है इसमें? टोटल पॉसिबिलिटीज क्या है? हेड भी आ सकता है, टेल भी गिर सकता है. दैट मीन्स टोटल इवेंट्स क्या है, इसको इवेंट्स बोला जाता है. टोटल 2 इवेंट्स, सो नीचे क्या आएगा, 2 आएगा. सी हाउ सिंपल इट इज. एंड वी हैव गॉट फ्रॉम द सेम थिंग फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो, इजंट इट? In percentage it seems to be like this, but in probability, real probability, it seems to be a fraction which is less than or equal to 1, but cannot be a probability. Remember one thing, probability cannot exceed 1. The value of probability cannot exceed 1. Understood? There is some other concept also. 1 means always yes, 0 means always what? No. If you can say yes, that means 100% probability. If you can say that 0, that no, that means 0% probability. अगर आप ऐसा सोचे कि ये होने का चांस 100% है तो आप yes कहोगे. अगर आपको पता है कि ये होने का चांस बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, तब क्या बोलोगे? इसका चांस क्या है? 0%. सेम है ना. लेकिन अगर किसी चीज़ का प्रोबेबिलिटी इनके बीच में है जो सर्टेन नहीं है, एकदम यस वाला भी सर्टेन हो जाता है, नो वाला भी सर्टेन हो जाता है, क्योंकि आपको पहले से पता होता है कि ये होने वाला है या नहीं होने वाला है. एग्जैक्टली पता है तो आपको या तो 0 मिलने वाला है प्रोबेबिलिटी या फिर 1 मिलने वाला है. मतलब कुछ नहीं आने वाला है तो 0, आने ही वाला है तो 1. बट अगर ऐसा बोला जाए कि हाँ आने का चांसेस है पर आई एम नॉट श्योर, सर्टेन नहीं हूँ, इट माइट बी हैपन बट आई एम नॉट सर्टेन, in that case your probability will be definitely in between 0 and 1. Yes or no? But it cannot exceed more than 1. Is it possible? 1 मतलब है कि 100% चांस है, और उससे भी ज़्यादा कोई बोल सकता है क्या 101% चांस है? अगर कोई बोल भी दे तो वो क्या होगा, वो बिल्कुल झूठ होगा. मतलब वो गलत है, वो कॉन्सेप्ट ही गलत है. अंडरस्टैंड? कोई अगर ऐसा बोला आई एम 200% श्योर, एक्चुअली इट इज़ टोटली रॉन्ग. बिकॉज 200% कैसा भाई? 200% का मतलब क्या है? 200% का मतलब क्या है बताइए भाई लोग? ये 200 आउट ऑफ 100 तो है ना, 100 ही तो है ना. तो कोई भी एग्ज़ाम ही मान लीजिए आप लोग, किसी भी 100 मार्क्स का पेपर में आपको 200 मार्क्स मिल सकता है क्या? डेफिनेटली नॉट. सो इट इज़ टोटली इम्पॉसिबल. सो प्रैक्टिकली इम्पॉसिबल. बट बोलने में क्या जाता है, कोई भी कुछ बोल भी सकता है, लेकिन ये प्रोबेबिलिटी में नहीं हो सकता. अंडरस्टूड? सो प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी इन बिटवीन 0 and what? 1. Sorry. It might be either 0 also or it might be 1 also. So equal also there. Probability can be either 0 और 1 और इन बिटवीन दैम. अंडरस्टूड? ये बहुत ही बड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट है, ये आपको बाद में चाहिए होगा. अभी मैं बस कॉन्सेप्ट के तौर पर मैं बता रहा हूँ. बट आई होप टिल नाउ यू हैव नो अदर problems regarding this. So we can directly move into our questions, which we will see in our exercise number 3.4. So what is the first question? Let me wrap this. Okay, probability is a very useful concept. Don't think that this is very tough. It is very simple, but it is useful. Everything is related to your daily life. Understood? You use these concepts. आप बोलते ही रहते हो कि हाँ मुझे ये मिलने का चांसेस 100% है, मतलब क्या है, आपका प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 है। 100% चांस है मतलब क्या है, आपका प्रोबेबिलिटी 1 है। अगर कोई बोले कि मुझे ये मिलने का चांसेस एकदम भी नहीं है, 0% है, मतलब मिलेगा ही नहीं मुझे, दैट विल बी योर प्रोबेबिलिटी इज़ टोटली 0। अगर कोई बोला कुछ भी हो सकता है भाई, मुझे अच्छा मार्क्स मिल भी सकता है, तो कितना परसेंटेज है आपका मार्क्स मिलने का, तब कोई बोलेगा हाँ 80% चांस है मिलने का, लेकिन 20% लगता है कि नहीं हो पाएगा। दैट मीन्स व्हाट, 80%। 80% का मतलब क्या है, 8 आउट ऑफ 10। 8 आउट ऑफ 10 या फिर 80 आउट ऑफ 100। समझ में आया बात? तो यही तो है आपका। इसको आप काट भी सकते हैं, 2 4 ज़ा 2 5 ज़ा, दैट मीन्स योर प्रोबेबिलिटी इज़ 4/5। समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? इससे भी वही मिलेगा, कुछ दूसरा कुछ नहीं मिलेगा। 2 4 ज़ा 8, 2 5 ज़ा 10, तो इससे भी क्या आएगा, 4/5। समझ में आया अभी बात? तो 80% चांस है मतलब क्या है, 80% चांस है, हम नॉर्मली कहते ही रहते हैं, तो 80% चांस है मतलब ये होने का चांसेस 80% है, मतलब क्या है, 4/5 है इसका प्रोबेबिलिटी। समझ में आया? कितना सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है, बहुत ही बेहतरीन कॉन्सेप्ट है ये, आपको समझ में बखूबी आ गया होगा। तो आई होप you all understood these things, so no need to panic and no need to worry. This is very simple thing. Now in exercise 3.4 you will see question number 1. Tell me, in question number 1 you will see, tell me whether the following is certain to happen. Certain to happen, what do you mean by certain? First of all you tell me. Certain means क्या है? Certain मतलब होता है कि you are sure. You are sure about something. That means you are 100% sure. Now, impossible, then also you are sure, but it is impossible. That means 0% probability. Understood? Now, another thing, can happen.